No, naglalakad na.
Picturean mo na, mama,
Part
maligaw
two.
tayo eh. Takay,
Part
hindi
two.
nakakanood tayo. May papanood.
Hindi, nakaganyan lang daw. Ikot lang. Gaganda ng bahay dito. Naglibot.
Rating ng bahay, guys. 10/10 kasi ang gabi ko. Kaso wala sa
Nakainitan, oh. Video siya. Sa? Yun, no? May farm.
Cover na siya. Bigyan ka.
Ikakot niya palpakay.
Ano ba daw?
Jogging sana eh.
Ano ba tayo?
Eh.
O yan ba?
Gagawin natin to.
Wala. Matagal pa naman sila outside. Matagal pa sila outside. Pa-picture ako!
Carboloading. Meron.
Ang dalawang buwan na sa 16.
Sa 16, hindi pa yun. Kasi,
Hindi naman tayo tuloy-tuloy.
Wala yung mga bago eh.
It's been a long week, ain't got enough sleep, starting to feel a little crazy. I need a release, pour me a strong drink, ready to turn it up, baby. 'Cause after the work is done, Fridays are made for fun, hey, hey. And I ain't the only one who knows how to roll and get down. Where's my squad? Yeah, I know who to call on. Good feels could never do no wrong. And it doesn't matter where we go, that's just the way we flow. Ain't no worrying, ain't no drama, we just over here having a good time. We bout this celebration life. Ain't no party like the one we started. Ain't no petty little shh gon' kill our vibe. We bout this celebration life. Celebrate, celebrate, don't hate on our celebration. Celebrate, celebrate, don't hate on our celebration. Got my head dipped, flexing my new fit, feeling like I'm on a runway. I came and checked in, the spot is